Welcome back to another edition of Doing It with Dish. 1 to 3 inches last night, so my plan was to go to the woods. Well, 1 to 3 turned into 2 to 4, turned into 4 to 6. So I got 7 customers I plow for. So rather than go to the woods, I got to plow snow today. You guys may as well come along, get some snow plowed. I got to get after it. Plowing's going pretty good. I've only got 2 more places on the way back home. They don't take long, they're pretty simple. The snow, light, fluffy, plowing pretty good today. Tomorrow back in the woods, plow some snow there, then get back to cutting. Hope you enjoyed the quick video today. Plowing snow with Dish. Till next time, thanks for watching.